Hey everyone, welcome back to SoftGPT. Have you ever wished you could create stunning AI generated images without breaking the bank on a high end PC or dealing with complicated software? If you're passionate about experimenting with AI models like Comfy UI or Auto 1111 but don't have the budget for powerful hardware, you're in the right place. Whether you're a beginner or looking to take your AI image creation to the next level, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. In today's video, I'll walk you through using Mimic PC to run the Auto 1111 web UI effortlessly. Auto 1111 is an intuitive and easy-to-use interface designed for Stable Diffusion, a cutting-edge text-to-image AI model. With its user-friendly design and customizable features, Auto 1111 is the perfect tool to turn your ideas into amazing visuals. No expensive hardware required. Let's dive in. To begin, head over to Mimic PC and set up an account. Then select the Auto 1111 web app and click Get Started. Pick your desired hardware and click Create to kick off the setup process. It only takes around 30 seconds. Once you're ready, you can start generating images simply by entering text prompts. Picking the right model is important since it determines the style and look of your images. Different models are pre-trained to create images in specific styles or on particular subjects. Popular models include Realistic Vision, which is great for photorealistic scenes, and Dream Shaper, which blends photorealism with artistic flair. Each model has its own resolution requirements, so choose the one that best fits the image quality and resolution you need. In the prompt box, provide a detailed description of what you want in your image. Be specific about colors, lighting, and composition for the best outcome. In the negative prompt, specify anything you don't want in the image. The sampling method controls how the image is denoised during the generation process. For example, Euler or Euler works well for illustration styles, while DPM2M and DPM2M Keras offers quicker results. Samplers with a plus are ideal for better stability. By adjusting various parameters, you can fine-tune your image generation. Sampling steps determines how many iterations the model makes to refine the image, while width and height set the resolution. For V1 models, it's recommended to set one side to 512 pixels. Patch count and size control how many images are generated in each pipeline run. CFG scale adjusts how closely the model follows your prompt, while seed value controls the randomness for reproducible results. For advanced options, you can explore image variations and can adjust how much variation influences the image using the variation seed. This allows you to blend two different seed values. For upscaling, use the higher steps setting to control the number of steps during upscaling. The denoising strength controls how much noise is added. Keep it above 0.5 for sharpness. If you'd like to generate new images from an existing one, use the image-to-image feature. Simply drag and drop your base image, adjust the width and height, and choose a sampling method. For those who prefer sketching, use the Color Sketch tool in the Image-to-Image tab. Upload your background image, sketch your creation, and write a prompt and press Generate to create new variations. To enlarge an image, go to the Extra tab, upload the image, and select an AI upscaling method. You can also adjust the size by changing the scale factor. Extensions add even more functionality to Auto 1111. To install an extension, visit the Extensions tab and browse the available options. Click Install to add any feature to your setup, and you're good to go. That's all for today's video on Mimic PC. If you're looking for an affordable and powerful way to dive into AI image generation or creative projects without expensive hardware, Mimic PC might be exactly what you need. With its flexible pay-as-you-go pricing and access to high-performance GPUs, you can bring your ideas to life or experiment with AI models from the cloud. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tech and AI tools coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.